Bro, listen, yo, how are people mad that like Amouranth, like a lot of her simps, a lot of her goddamn worthless ass, like bottom feeding, like y'all tell me y'all like, listen, bro, I don't hate the player, I hate the game, right? Yo, if she wanna sell her body or whatever it is for money, hey, do you, right? It's shame on you for buying that, right? Or if you buy that, right? If you buy that, I hope you're not like, you're not like hoping that okay, yo, if I give her money, oh yeah, then she'll become my guy. Like y'all are fucking like weirdos, man. Like I seen dudes on her on like her comment section on Twitter and whatnot, going in like, oh, I never knew you had a man. The girl was married, bro, and it seemed like the girl was being pimped out too. Like I don't know exactly. Like, I seen the video with her and I guess it was what was her husband, and like apparently like yo blah 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 she's there. I have my opinion or whatever about like the situation. Like I'm just saying like yo listen, bro. I don't believe everything I see, bro. That's just me, bro. That's just me. I don't know what's going on, but all I know something something's off. I'm just gonna hold my I'm gonna hold my tongue for a second. Something's off. But y'all weirdo ass, backwards ass, bottom ass, sucker ass, head ass, like y'all are lames, bro. Like some of y'all are dweebs and like, bro, yo, y'all are really giving this girl money so she'll show you like her body parts and like y'all still would wanna do. Matter of fact, nowadays, bro, like dudes don't even care. Dudes are just begging for something. Dudes just begging just to even like, like dudes are willing to come off their bread just to get a hug, much less paying for some like I don't understand. Like I don't know, bro. Like I don't like. I'm thinking that yo, y'all can go get $50. You know what I'm saying? Go grab all the damn coins in your couch. Whatever is underneath your damn table, your damn ornaments. Find whatever. Scrape all the goddamn like coins y'all got and go find you a whole prostitute, bro. Like I don't get it, bro. Even if y'all can pay a prostitute to dress up as like I don't know, like savage or even y'all can pay even her to dress up as like goddamn Jennifer. Like I don't know what y'all into. Maybe y'all into some anime side. But y'all are fucking like, bro, like come on, bro. Like how are we simping, bro? Like it's not like information ain't out there. Like how y'all like if y'all put people on a like if you put a girl on a pedestal, she has no choice but to look down upon you. Literally, it's literally the position that you place yourself in, like putting her up on something. She has no choice but to look down on you. You see what I'm saying? Like even like that dynamic was not in play. Still, a girl that would whore herself out, y'all would still want to talk to. Like, come on, man, come on. This girl was on here like, bro, like, what I'm saying? Like, I even seen like a clip, like there was circulating a clip on what was it, Twitch? Not Twitch, I mean Twitter, about like one of her subscribers or longtime supporter giving her all his dough. He tried to get her to give him a high five, bro. She didn't even want to give the dude a high five, bro. Y'all are, bro, yeah, y'all don't want to hear me talk, man. Y'all trying to get me, like, y'all trying to get me cancel up off the shit, like, cause if I really tell you the way I think, man, like, y'all are gonna, I can't believe it, bro. I understand. dudes are still doing this weirdo shit, man. Y'all are going to Comic Con just to step on y'all. Like, come on, bro. Like, you think about girl step on you, like she gonna laugh and be like, oh, yo, yeah, you're cute. Like y'all are, bro. Dude, like, dudes gotta understand that, like, girls only like dudes that are firmly above them. You can either be above them in wealth and status, or you can be above them in looks. Maybe a combination of both. That's the only way a girl will like you naturally, bro. A girl needs to find a dude who's better than her that looks down upon her. A girl like when a dude looks down on her. I'm telling you, y'all don't want to hear shit, bro. Like, that's why I have to hold my tongue on this shit, because y'all don't want to hear it, man. Y'all don't want to hear it, man. Y'all don't be in my comment section telling me about this, that, and that. Oh no, if this, oh no, if that, like, oh, because you see, have you ever watched, Cinderella, so therefore, because, like, y'all are freaking weird, like, this story got me heated, bro. Y'all are, like, get the fuck out of here.